Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about Toposurface in Revit. So if you'll go to your massing and site here, and if you'll click here, you can see this term Toposurface. So it is generally used to draw topography in your Revit project. So if you bring your mouse, you can see the definition here defines a topographical surface in a site plan or a 3D view. So in the previous tutorial I have discussed about in place mass and all these terms, so you can refer my previous tutorial. And today we are going to understand about topo surface. So to begin with, first you need to understand what is contour line and topography in a project, and whether it is architectural, constructional or any kind of project. So if I am going to definition of contour line, so you can see the definition. It's a line on a map representing an imaginary line on the land surface, all points of which are at the same elevation above a datum plane, usually mean sea level. So you can see these all are contour lines, and this is a hilly area. You can see that there are some levels in mm. So you can see these all are levels, and these all are imaginary line which is required in drawing to draw out slope in project. So this is the definition of a contour line. You can better understand if you draw a section in AutoCAD. You have to trace each point of contour line to draw these sections. So generally in AutoCAD it takes a lot of time, but in Revit you can do very fast. So this is the definition. So you can see here, when far apart, contour lines show a gentler slope. So these all lines are gentler slope. When lines are closer, it a steeper slope. So a spot elevation are heights above contour lines and are shown as 0.58. So generally you are required to understand steeper slope and gentler slope. So now I am going to my Revit project here, and you can also refer these diagrams. These all are contour lines. These are contour lines. So you can search and understand about these terms. So first I am going to my Revit project, and this is a small building here, and I have drawn this to make you understand. So this is a building, and now I am going to my site plan, and I am going to click this topo surface. And if I am clicking here topo surface, you can see there are few terms here. One is place point, next is create from import and simplify surface. So we will understand about this. So now this is the point which is required to place in your drawing area according to your topo surface level. So first I will show you how to draw a flat topo surface here. So now you can see, if I have selecting this point, you can see there is elevation here, and some levels are marked here. By default it's a 0 feet 0 inches. If you are working in metric, you can select metric or mm profile here. So now this elevation is 0 feet. That means we are going to draw flat surface. So now I am going to place my point. So before beginning, you are required to make sure that you are in a site plan, so that you can view your topo surface. If you will draw in level 1, you will be not able to view it. So now I am going to place my first point here. I am clicking anywhere, and now the second point here, and third one is here. And now you can see this elevation is at 0 feet 0 inches. All points are at 0 feet 0 inches. That means this topo surface is flat, topography is flat here. Now I am going to finish this, and I will tell you how to draw means rectangular. If your site is rectangular, how we can draw this. And now it's in irregular shape, so no need to worry. I am going to my 3D view here, and now you can see this is our surface which is flat. So you can use in your flat topography also. So this is building surrounded by flat surfaces, so you can draw this also. And if you want to edit, you can edit this also. and you can select this, and now you can go to edit surface, and you can insert any point here. Suppose if I want to insert any point here, I'm going to click this, and we can also select this point. Better will understand in site plan, and this is the point. I'm going to select this, and suppose if I'm going to make this elevation at 2 feet here. Now you can see some slope is coming here, and now I am going to select this point also. You can edit your topo surface, and now I am going to make this as 1 feet, and you can see some changes is taking shape here. And now I am going to select this surface, and I am going to give a negative value here, -2 feet, and you can see some slope is coming around. So now I'm going to finish again this, and we'll go to our view here, 3D view, and you can see some changes has taken place. So you can see, and we can understand it. It's not clear here. So now I am going to draw a section box here. So I am going to my properties here, and we'll come down here, down, and you can select this section box, and I'm going to apply a section box here, and you can select your section box, and you can use this arrow to view topography section. You can see this slope here which we have created just now, and in the beginning it was a flat surface. Now I have changed the point, and you can also view this from this angle. Any angle you can use your section box to view your slope of topography. So now you can see the difference. You can edit your points in topography. So now I will show you a gentle topography here. So now I am going to uncheck this, and you are required to go to again properties here, and I am going to uncheck this section box, apply. So now I am going to my site plan here, and I am going to again remove this, and now I will tell you how you can draw a rectangular topography here, topo surface. Suppose it's a flat or whether it's a slope. So now after this you are required to go to your massing and site, and you can use your property line if your site is in a square shape or rectangular shape. So I'm going to select this property line, and you can use this one, create by entering distance and bearings, and create by sketching. So I will make another detailed tutorial on property line. So for timing I'm going to select this, create by sketching, and now we will draw our site here. And your plot size, you can take any size as per your design. Suppose it's 80 feet by 60 feet. I'm going to draw this, and I'm going to finish this. Now this is our property line, and now we will go to our massing and site, and now I will again select this topo surface, and we'll use this place point here. And now you can easily place at corners if you want to draw a square plot or rectangular plot, and this elevation is 0 feet 0 inch. That means this side is flat, and I'm going to finish this. And now we'll go to our 3D view, and you can check this. This is the flat size. If you want to change your material of this plot, you can select this topography here, and you can go here and change the material. Suppose if I want to give any grass textures, I will go and create a new material, and I will go to here grass, and you can select any grass material here. Apply, OK, and you can change your topography material. So now this is the flat side, and again I'm going to do this side plan, and if I want to draw some contours here, so how we can do. So again I'm going to my topo surface, and I will start from this end, and I'm going to place my first point, and I'm going to take this as 6 inches here, and I'm going to place my first point here and the next point. And if you will place your points closer, your slope will be smoother, and if you will place farther, your slope will be not smoother. So now I am going to again Control Z, and I am going to again enter here 1 feet, and I am going to place a point here. This is a small, and again I will enter 1 feet 6 inches, and I will place here, and again I am going to reduce this to 1 feet, and I'm going to place here. So now I'm going to finish this, and now we'll go to our 3D view, and we can see you can change this material also to grass. And now I will use my section box. So I am going to select this section box, and now we'll select this section box and bring this here, and you can see the slope here is starting from here, and it's going to descend, and now after that it is reducing. So you can also view from this side also, any sides you can view using your section box. So now this is the basics concept of topography and working with contours in Revit. So if you will compare with AutoCAD drawing and Revit drawing, Revit is much faster in drawing contour line. So now I will uncheck this section box here. So now this is our method of drawing contour lines. So this is the simple method. Now I am going to again my site plan, and I will understand about some more terms. So if I am going to this topo surface here, and you can see that the next term is create from import. So if you bring your mouse here, you can see create from import. It creates a topo surface based on a data from the other source. So if you are importing your AutoCAD drawing, if you are working on your project and you get any drawing from surveyor, they work mostly in AutoCAD format or DXF or any other format. So basically you are required to import that topo surface in your Revit, and then you can work upon that. So we'll come to this, and now I'm going to delete this drawing here, and again I'm going to my Toposurface, and I'm going to select this one, create from import, and now I am going to select import instance, and now it is giving this message: there are no imported elements in your document. Please use the import tool to import the desired objects and then add them to the site. So I'm going to close it. That means we have not imported our format of drawing. Suppose it's a surveyor drawing in AutoCAD. So we need to first insert our CAD format of survey drawing. So I'm going to cross this, and I'm going to delete this also, we don't need. So I'm going to my AutoCAD drawing here, and I have selected one project here. This is a very steep slope, and it is drawn in a AutoCAD format, and you can see all these lines. These all are in AutoCAD based format, and you can check all the lines here, and you can check the levels here. So in AutoCAD it will take a lot of time. So now I am going to import this in Revit. So I have saved in one folder. So I am going to my Revit project here, and I am going to insert, and now I am going to select this import CAD, and I am going to select this one, contour youtube.dwz, and if you select this drawing, you can see this is the drawing of contour. This is a surveyor drawing, and you can use these settings if you want to preserve your color. So I'm going to preserve this, and I will leave these settings, auto origin to internal origin, and I'm going to place at level 1, but we work in site plan. So you can use this unit here, auto detect. So I am going to select this one, it's in millimeter, I think. So this is in a meter, so I am going to select meter here, and I am going to open this, and now you can see this is the drawing, and we are in site plan, and this is the format of drawing, and you can also check your drawing unit. And I am going to make this as meter. So now I am going to my massing and site, and this project is very constructed on very steep slope, so it will be hilly areas of steepy slopes. You can see there are much closer lines. So I am going to massing and site, and then we'll select this topo surface, and now I am going to select this one, create from import. I am going to select this, and I am going to select import instances, and I am going to select this drawing, and now it is asking add points from selected layers. So if you want to use your only contour lines, you can use that layer. So like that, if you want only contour line layer, you can uncheck all this. So for time being, I am going to leave all this because there are a lot of detailing. So if you want to remove anything, like I am going to remove this door and elevation 1, 2, and flooring I'm going to remove, and furniture, and edge also, pathway I'm going to remove for time, and likewise you can do these settings, and I'm going to click OK, and now you can see the 3D format will come from our AutoCAD drawing. So first thing, you need to make sure that all the drawings in AutoCAD format are drawn as per your 3D image or surveyor drawing. So now I am going to finish this surface, and we'll see. So now I am going to my 3D view, and you can see this is very gentle steep slope. So you can see this is very at a higher level. So you can see these all are contour lines, and you can see this is our topography, and you can see all these levels here. So this is the method of using this point here. You can use your AutoCAD format for inserting in your topo surface. Now I am going to discuss how to import your small AutoCAD drawing and work on your contours. So you are required to trace that thing. So I am going to create a new file here, and I'm going to import CAD here, and I'm going to select this contour drawing, which is small contour plan, and I'm going to leave this setting, and import units is in meter. So I'm going to open, and now this is our contour plan here, and you can see this is at this is as a 90 meter, and these all are 92, 93, 95, so it's increasing. So this is to just you make understand about how to trace this AutoCAD file. So I am going to first start with 90, and then I will go to here 103. So that means I am going to my architecture tab here, and I am going to masking inside topo surface, and now I am going to place point, and I will first change this unit to meter, and I am going to use meter here, and okay, and now I am going to place this elevation at 0 here. So we'll consider 90 as 0, and I am going to place point here, and if you place point closer, it will be smoother slope. So be aware of this. So now you can see it's at 90. So now the next is at 92, this one. So I am going to enter 2 from 90 to 92. The difference is 2 meter. I am going to enter 2 meter here, and I will draw a slope here. And now we will use wireframe to view AutoCAD lines here. So next is 93 here. So the difference is from 90 to 93. The difference is 3 meter. So I am going to place point, and I will place a value 3 meter here. So this is to just you make understand how to trace this. So I am placing the points very closer to make this smoother. So this is to just understand. And now this is 95, so difference is 5 meter. So I am going to enter 5 meter here, and I am going to trace these lines. So the next line is at 100. This is at 100. So difference is 10 meter. So I'm going to enter 10 here, and I'm going to trace this one. So likewise, you can trace your whole topo surface from AutoCAD plan in Revit. can import your survey drawing like this. This is at 102, so difference is 12 meter. So I'm going to enter 12. This is also 102, so value will be same. And now this is at 103, so 13 meter difference from 90. And this is also 103. So this is the process of tracing AutoCAD in Revit Toposurface. So now I am going to finish this, and you can also edit your topo surface by going to this edit surface. And now I am going to my 3D view, and we can see this is our contour. And I am going to my realistic view, and you can see this is the contour which we have drawn here from AutoCAD. And you can use section box to view this, so it will give a nice look. So I'm going to use section box here, apply, and you can see this section. This is from 0 level to 90 meter, and you can view this section. So this depends upon your survey drawing, at what level from mean sea level is your contour are located. So likewise you can drag this to this side also. You can view this, and you can present to your client. So this is the basic functioning of Toposurface. So hope you have understand the concept of Toposurface, and in the next tutorial I will discuss about the remaining terms here. And this was the today's session. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.